Scientists explore mystery of star-in-a-jar phenomenon. Stafford. In a quiet, darkened laboratory, researchers are investigating a mesmerizing phenomenon that looks like a tiny star trapped within a glass flask. Known as sonoluminescence or the star in a jar, this process creates light and intense heat simply by passing sound waves through liquid. The phenomenon was vividly described by physicist Seth Putterman, who recalled being transfixed the first time he witnessed it. Inside a spherical flask of fluid, a glowing blue-purple light appears at the center, bright enough to be seen with the naked eye. How it works? The star is created when a sound wave travels through a small bubble suspended in liquid. The sound wave forces the bubble to expand and then collapse with remarkable violence. During this collapse, vapor molecules trapped inside are slammed together, heating up so intensely that the bubble emits a burst of light and heat several thousand times a second. To the observer, these rapid flashes blur together, giving the appearance of a steady, glowing star. The fusion question. While the visual spectacle is captivating, the real excitement for scientists lies in the extreme conditions generated inside the bubble. The surface of this tiny light burns at tens of thousands of degrees. However, researchers like Putterman have contemplated a far more revolutionary possibility, that the core of the collapsing bubble could be even hotter, potentially millions of degrees. If the interior temperatures reach high enough levels, it could theoretically trigger nuclear fusion, the same reaction that powers the sun. Proving this would mean that by simply bombarding tiny bubbles with sound waves, scientists could create nuclear fusion effortlessly here on Earth, offering a potential new pathway for energy research. Biblical parallel. Beyond the scientific implications, the phenomenon has sparked philosophical and theological reflection, with some observers drawing parallels to the creation narrative in the book of Genesis. The concept of using sound, specifically a voice or wave, to create light resonates with the opening verses of Scripture, where creation begins with a spoken command. In Genesis 1 verse 3 the text reads, "And God said, Let there be light, and there was light." This ancient description of light being brought forth through speech, sound, mirrors the mechanics of sonoluminescence, where sound waves traveling through water literally produce light. For some, the star in a jar serves as a small, tangible illustration of that primordial event, a scientific demonstration that sound can indeed generate the brilliance of a star.